Well, was June 4th, well, was Tuesday the tell when we came in and we didn't do the turnaround Tuesday? And it's the first time that we kind of tacked on gains to Monday since June 14th. Was that really something we should have paid more attention to?
Yeah, in hindsight, you start to see the market try to carve out a bottom, but I think there's a lot more to this. The end of the bear seasonal, which started middle of June, has come to an end on July 25th. So you're starting to see some of that being unwound, as well as just the outside markets as well. This is totally a risk-on atmosphere in the outside markets, and I think that's helping spill over into a lot of strength in today's session. Obviously, grains were rallying ahead of a lot of the outside markets rallying, but it's certainly a nice tailwind in today's session. But I think we might be getting to a spot where we're probably a little bit overextended here in the very short term. We've got a lot of farmer clients and hedgers who are also, thinking that this might be an opportunity to get some hedges on. If you last Friday were thinking, man, I wish I would have sold at these higher prices, well, hey, here you go. You got a heck of an opportunity. We've got D's corn about 60 cents off those Friday lows, and new crop November beans about $1.60 off those lows. So this is an opportunity, I think, for producers to be a little bit more proactive if they were wishing they had been so on Friday. There's ways to do that in the options market while keeping the upside open as well.
Yeah, I agree with you. And another thing is you're right. You can do like as a guy said earlier, a fence or a combo. But what I'm worried about most is the fact that we're up here on Mother Nature. It's been hot and dry, right? I mean, that's it, and that scared some folks. And I don't see, it's going to be hard to get hotter and drier, right? If you wanted to see the market continue on this rally, like you just said, it might be a little vulnerable here because if anything does sneak into that forecast, it might be just a little precip, and that could pop the balloon. That's all I'm worried about.
I completely agree. You get this premium that comes into the market on hot and dry weather. A lot of that is baked in. So now when you got a lot of that bullish news baked into the cake, the risk is to the downside that we get some cooler and wetter temperatures.
All right, we're going to go away. Stay right there.